Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can use widgets in WordPress website. Guys, here you can see this is a professional website that is built with Astra theme and Element Pro. So now if you want to use this widget section, how you can do that? So basically widgets are available in the footer section. Now we need to find out. Let's log in into our website. Make sure that your website is built on WordPress platform. After that, here you can see in the dashboard appearance widgets. Just click here. After that, here you can see the interface may be different for you, but for this interface just you can search a plugin that's called classic widgets. So guys, here you can see this plugin has 2 million plus active installations and 5-star ratings. Just you can install this plugin. After that, here you can see widgets, footer widget 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can add any of these. You can change the structure. After that, if you want to edit this content, how you can do that? Here you can see, just click here, expand it, and after that you can edit any of the blog. For example, here you can see the contact number. You can add here your own. For example, I can change here 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Then save it. Then click here, done. Now refresh the page. So guys, here you can see we have changed this line, so that is contact number. After that, if you want to edit this one, here you can see footer widget 3, then click here. So here is the navigation menu. You can change the menu here. By default this is menu 1. You can select menu 2, then save. Now refresh the page. So guys, here you can see we have replaced. Now I want to change it to back menu 1. After that, if you want to add any of the element in your widgets, how you can do that? For example, you want to add image, just you can drag here and add on the top or bottom. Now you can give a title, then you can add here image. For example, I want to add image here, then you can give a title. Also you can link this image to any page, then refresh it. So guys, here you can see the image is added. In this way you can work with widgets. So one more thing I want to show you, that is called Astra theme header and footer builder. So just we can go to theme customizer, make sure that you are using Astra WordPress theme. So this is the best WordPress theme. Now here you can see theme customizer is loading. After that you can see here header builder as well as footer builder. Just click here, and after that here you can see these are all the widgets. If you want to remove anyone, just you can see cross, just click here, and after that it will be removed. So this is how easily you can remove it. And once you click publish, then it will be saved. So guys, this is how easy to work with the widgets in WordPress website.